Klaro ka, bro.
Sulod na lang ko.
Klaro ka ikaw.
Sulod ko. Ikat na lang natin mo.
Lang. What's up mga kamigoy? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Naka-home quarantine tayo ngayon kasi balita may nagpa-city raw dito sa amin. Kaya home video muna tayo. Well, sa video natin today, maglilinis tayo ng motorsiklo tapos lagyan natin ng pledge yung lahat ng chrome accessories. So, una natin gawin is tatanggalin natin lahat ng fairings.
That shit to get you smoke. Yeah, I'm killing these niggas. I'm back in the city. These niggas don't want no smoke. The way I be dripping, I think your bitch feeling me. Guess it's time to fuck your hoe. Back and be crazy. Why niggas hating, huh? I guess I don't know. Niggas be capping. I ain't just rapping. That's that shit to get you smoke. Then she say she wanna fuck a nigga, bitch. I said it's sight. Fuck your baby daddy. He a bitch and he uptight. They can't fuck with me. I beat this shit. Can't see the light. I thought you was saying shut the fuck up, tree of might. Yeah, I'm a dog. Yeah, I'm a dog. I might bite. I might bite. Fold me wrong. Fold me wrong. Good night. Good night. Bring them sticks with them hollow sleep tight. Sleep tight. Bring them sticks with them hollow sleep tight. Kiss your wife. Kiss your wife. Lose your life. Fold me wrong. Fold me wrong. You die tonight. Bitch, I been ballin' like Mike. She ride his dick like a bite. Brand new Glock, ain't about to fight. Brand new money, my grip tight. Blue hundreds, guess I crip right. Getting a check, it feels nice. I've been too thorough, real right. Niggas be shady, they stop shine. I'm thinking they mad, it's my time. Niggas be green, want limelight, but don't get a piece of the pie. I can't be touched, cause nigga, I'm sky high. Yeah, I'm killing these niggas, I'm back in the city. These niggas don't want no smoke. The way I be dripping, I think your bitch feeling me. Guess it's time to fuck your hoe. Back and be crazy, why?
Ayan mga kamigoy, nalagyan ko na ng metal polish. Ang hirap, sobra. Nakakapagod, promise. Ayan mga kamigoy, nakakapagod. So mga kamigoy, ito yung style ko, no? Instead na smooth na tela or yung planela, ang gagamitin ko na pang kuskus is yung Scotch Brite.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my move.
Ayan mga kamigoy, tapos rin tayo sa wakas. Ang hirap, sobra. Nakakapagod kasi biruin mo, full chrome, lilinisin mo na mag-isa. So ngayon, ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung setup ko or yung mga accessories ko na ginamit ko dito. Dito muna tayo sa gulong. So ang ginamit kong gulong dito sa likod is Michelin. Anong size nito? Michelin 7090. And then yung rayos nito is iwan ko, nakalimutan ko. Rizoma pala to na gold. At ang hub ko naman is PZTech. At saka gamit kong rim is Vans Boy. Vans Boy is produkto ng Super Drag Rim. Sunod is yung disc. Gamit kong disc sa likod is Racing Boy. Tapos sa harapan, hindi ko na alam, parang walang brand eh. Brake calipers sa harap is stock lang pero naka-chrome. Tapos sa likod, same rin, stock rin yan pero naka-chrome din. Gas tank, stock rin, naka-chrome. Itong grab bar naman is Racing Boy na naka-chrome din. Tapos CNC ito na center knob. Tapos telescopic nut or anong tawag ba nito is yayamanin. Naka-stock front shock ako, naka-chrome din, same sa kabila. Ito fork stabilizer, Racing Boy, naka-chrome din. Full chassis ko is naka-chrome din. Ayan, CNC chain cover, naka-chrome din. Swing arm stock lang yan na naka-chrome. Monoshock is Racing Boy. Side mirror, Rizoma. Both clutch and brake lever is Racing Boy. Itong makina ko, naka-stock lang to. Walang ginalaw sa loob. Tsaka naka-stock CDI na rin. At gamit kong carb is carburetor ko is 28mm na Kuso. Naka open pipe pala ako na Daeng, yung first version na ata to. Muntik ko nang makalimutan, no. Itong stock seat ko pala is naka option 1 na cover. Ayan, no. Ang pangit. Ayan mga kamigoy, no. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung setup ko para sa pag motovlogging. Actually mga kamigoy, marami pa akong bibilhin dyan. Marami pa ako babaguhin. Kaya abang-abang na lang kasi i-vlog ko yung lahat. Lahat ng mga parts na babaguhin ko, yung brand, tsaka yung presyo. Ayan mga kamigoy, sana nagustuhan nyo yung video natin ngayon. Bago ko to tatapusin, ayun, shout out muna sa Raider 150 Nation sa FB group at saka sa Misamis Oriental Motovloggers community. And to all who support me, who subscribe to my channel, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. At dito ko natatapusin. Please do subscribe. See you on the next video. Adios.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just nobody else.